here we are again, folks. Showed you in the last video how to swap this doorknob out for a nice handle or whatever you want. Notice the door was not closing right when I had the plate on there, so I took the plate off, and let's have a look what happens real quick. You see there's a little bit of play, probably about 1/8 of an inch in there. So what happened is the previous plate, you can see they chiseled out the back of the jamb here, and they probably had the plate back real far. So these holes here are not going to work for us. We're going to need to move the plate up a little bit. In order to do that, here's a little old carpenter trick. Grab yourself some toothpicks, like so. And this works on any time you need to plug a hole and reuse it. So now you might want to clean these off a little bit. Just get yourself a chisel or a paint scraper. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. Just shove a couple toothpicks in there. Whatever fits. 2, 3. Depends how tight that hole is. How many you can fit in there. Grab the back of your screwdriver or your hammer. Just tap them in just real gentle. Just to get them in there. My screwdriver, my hammer, who knows where that thing is. Still unpacking all that stuff, so I'll break it off. Boom. So now that hole is chock full. Flip over to toothpicks, do the same on the other hole. And just put them in a little bit, and like I said, tap them on in. Perfect. Just breaking them does not matter. As long as they're getting in there, snap them off. That's looking real good. Now that's going to help you when you want to put the plate back on. You can kind of say, oh, you know, I'm going to go for the edge of this hole instead. And if you guide your screw in there right on the edge, that'll work great. In fact, what you can also do is take a tiny drill bit, something like that, and just drill a little hole right where you want to put the screw. That'll help guide it in there. Okay, so like right down here on the edge of that hole is what we're going to do. Alright, so there it is. I made sure it was as tight in as far forward as I could get it. Let's go ahead and see if it works. Listen for the click. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Perfect. No problem. Alright, that's it for now, folks. Have a good one.